Google Bard can understand and process videos just like images through Gemini technology. Today, we will try some advanced examples to test its capabilities. First, let's start with the simplest task. Let's ask Bard to extract the title, description, and the keyword tags included in the video. All done. Next, let's ask him to summarize the video. The next step would be to transcribe and extract the textual contents of the video as follows. Can you extract the full text of the video? As you can see, Bard extracted the textual contents of the video. Now, to something different. Object recognition. We have a lion image, and we have video about lions. Let's see if Bard can match the image with video and can find any lions in the video. As you can see, Bard not only found and matched the lion, but also described lions stayed in different locations in the video. Now, to something more sophisticated. We have a video of list of multiple animals. Let's ask Bard to determine and list the animals in the video. Sounds good. Bard listed the animals that appeared in the video. Now, to face recognition. We have an image of a YouTuber. Let's try to see if Bard can match the person image with the video contents and determine if the person is really in the video. In this case, Bard refused to perform the process for ethical and legal considerations. We can try another approach. Let's ask Bard about the person who was speaking in the video. Now, Bard revealed his name, plus detailed information about his YouTube career and channel. More advanced tutorials will be added. Therefore, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay up to date with contents of the channel. See you later and have a nice day.